Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're rediving into a tiny superfood that's making a big splash in the health world. What happens to your body when you eat just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds every single day? You might be surprised by how much power these little seeds pack. So, let's get into it. Did you know that chia is the ancient Mayan word for strength? And for good reason. These seeds were a staple for Aztec and Mayan warriors, fueling them for long journeys and battles. Fast forward to today, and science is backing up what ancient cultures knew all along. Just 1 tablespoon contains about 5 grams of fiber, 2 grams of protein, a healthy dose of omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. It's like a multivitamin straight from nature. So, what's the first thing you might notice after adding chia seeds to your daily routine? Better digestion. Chia seeds are famous for their ability to absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, creating a gel-like substance. This gel helps soften your stool, making it easier to pass, which can be a game changer if you struggle with constipation. Plus, all that fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the friendly bacteria in your gut and promoting a healthy microbiome. Think of it as a gentle daily cleanse for your digestive system. Next up, let's talk about energy. Do you ever experience that dreaded afternoon slump where you feel like you need a nap or another cup of coffee? Chia seeds can help with that. Because they slow down the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar, they help stabilize your blood sugar levels. This means no more sharp energy spikes followed by a crash. Instead, you get a steady, sustained release of energy throughout the day. It's no wonder so many athletes swear by chia seeds for endurance. Now, for benefit number 3, a healthier heart and a sharper brain. Chia seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. ALA isn't the same as the omega-3 fatty acids you get from fish oil. Your body has to convert ALA into EPA and DHA, the two forms of omega-3 fatty acids that are most active in supporting brain, heart, and cell health. The catch? That conversion isn't very efficient. Only a small amount actually turns into the usable forms. So, if you're vegan or vegetarian, chia seeds are still a great way to boost your omega-3 intake naturally. But to get the full benefits of EPA and DHA, you'll want to include an algae-based omega-3 supplement. It's the plant-powered alternative to fish oil. These healthy fats are crucial for reducing inflammation throughout your body, which is linked to all sorts of chronic conditions. Omega-3 fatty acids also support cardiovascular health by helping to maintain healthy cholesterol levels and blood pressure. And let's not forget your brain. A regular intake of these fatty acids is linked to better focus, improved mood, and overall cognitive function. If you're following a plant-based diet, chia seeds are a fantastic alternative to fish oil. Are you looking to manage your weight in a healthy, sustainable way? Chia seeds can be your best friend. The powerful combination of fiber, protein, and their gelling action helps you feel full and satisfied for longer. When you feel full, you're naturally less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or overeat at mealtimes. Adding just 1 tablespoon to your morning smoothie or yogurt can help curb cravings and support your weight management goals without feeling like you are on a restrictive diet. And finally, benefit number 5 is all about building a strong foundation, stronger bones, and radiant skin. You might be surprised to learn that chia seeds are packed with bone-building minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. In fact, ounce for ounce, they contain more calcium than most dairy products. For those who avoid dairy, chia seeds are an excellent way to boost your intake of bone-supporting nutrients. But the benefits don't stop there. They're also loaded with antioxidants such as chlorogenic acid, an antioxidant that may help reduce inflammation and improve heart health; caffeic acid, another antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties; myricetin, an antioxidant that may protect against cancer and other chronic diseases; quercetin, an antioxidant that may improve heart health and reduce the risk of allergies; and camphorol, an antioxidant with anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. These fight off free radicals, those pesky molecules that can damage your skin cells and lead to premature aging. So, a daily spoonful of chia supports your beauty from the inside out. So, how can you easily incorporate them into your diet? It's super simple. You can mix a tablespoon into a glass of water or juice and let it sit for about 10 minutes until it forms a gel. You can also add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on top of your oatmeal or yogurt, or even mix them into salads. A pro tip: always soak your chia seeds before eating them. This helps with digestion and ensures your body can absorb all the nutrients. While chia seeds are incredibly safe for most people, it's always a good idea to start slow if your body isn't used to a lot of fiber. This can help prevent any bloating or discomfort. And because they absorb so much liquid, make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. If you're taking any blood pressure or blood thinning medications, it's just a good idea to have a quick chat with your doctor before making them a daily staple. And there you have it. From boosting your energy and supporting your heart to improving your digestion and skin, the benefits of 1 tablespoon of chia seeds a day are truly impressive. It just goes to show that sometimes the smallest changes can make the biggest difference in our health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.